Welcome to Whittling Away. Today we'll be going over how to sharpen your whittling knife. To start off, we'll need a whittling knife, a sharpening stone, a leather strop, and a polishing compound. So first I'm going to get all my materials ready. The sharpening stone, the polishing compound, the leather strop, and of course my whittling knife. And I'll also put on some gloves for safety. To start off, I'm going to sharpen my knife by swiping it back and forth on the sharpening stone. Next, I'm going to rub the polishing compound on the rough side of the leather strap. This almost feels like I'm coloring with a crayon. And next, to polish the knife and secure in the sharpening that I've done, I'm going to swipe the knife back and forth on the leather strap. And your knife is now ready to use. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you in a whittle.